to your question, Nick, in terms of what we're actually like the innovation here and kind of our perspective. Our perspective is really what we're building at Laminar is an extremely full stack system. Everything from our own hardware to our own models to like, integrating with the control systems to our own software that they, the customer can be able to interact with to see all of this, again, like new analysis and insight into their facility that they've never been able to see before, while also our AI models are continuously optimizing manufacturing lines in real time, again, at every single second of the day. And that's why I want to highlight that is that truly full stack element is extremely core to the innovation that and also our perspective at Laminar and how we need to approach truly deploying AI in manufacturing. And I think if you think of it in very fragmented pieces of like, oh, we're just developing a sensor, or you're just developing a new AI model or like software, that's oftentimes the gap in terms of why AI manufacturing is so has faced challenges and why it faces challenges in scaling, generating real ROI.